Hi mga friend. Ayan, sorry. Ayan, so we went twice sa SM Iloilo book sale. So, nung last day natin ng Monday. So, this is our first haul. I think Saturday. So, nung Monday, we came back to book sale. So, meron naman tayong haul. While waiting for our flight. No? So, we passed by SM again. Ito po. Ano ba yan? Living in the present. So, ano siya? Mga devotionals and activities. Yan, medyo hindi natin mabasa yung ano. Pero, yung binasa natin, there are some mga exercises that you can use yung living in the presence of the Lord. So, spiritual book siya. It's also 72 pesos. Ayan, mga efficient, affordable books that we have to add at our library at home and share Tin and Cathy. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.